Hi everyone, here we've got WIEPPO S5 and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the camera app, and as you can see, after touching the shutter button, this device is taking photos right away after it. In order to set the timer, simply tap on the settings, make sure that you're in a camera mode, and on the second position we've got the self timer. Let's tap on it. As you can see, now it is off and I've shown it to you. And you can choose from either 2 seconds or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately changes, and also here we've got the new icon. Let's get back and let's tap the shutter button. As you can see, now your device is counting down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's check another option. Let's get back to the settings, to the self timer, and let's choose 2 seconds. Let's get back and the shutter button. And the same situation, but now it is counting down from 2. So now let's turn it off. Let's click on set timer, turn it off, and as you can see, it just got back to its previous state. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your WIEPPO S5. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.